After you've found an article that is background on the woman you are studying for the Odyssey, you're going to need to cite that. So, a requirement of this is to make an annotated bibliography. So, for citation information, what does that mean? That means having an MLA citation created. If you chose the area here that says reference database in these articles here, that will be a pre-made one. If you choose website, you're going to have to make one from scratch using EasyBib, which will be a separate instructional video. So, looking at one of these articles here, if I click on them, I have an article here, and always in the databases, you're going to find an area somewhere at the top that says cite and also at the bottom. So right here it says source citation. Sometimes there's a lot of references that come before this. Don't accidentally use it. Make sure it is near the very end. It says source citation and it says MLA edition. What you're going to do is go here and copy all of this and go and open just a new Google Doc because you're going to dump it in there. And I literally mean I'm going to put annotated bibliography and I'm going to put it in the middle of the page, make a space, paste this in. Now mine was set up to be in the middle because I had moved annotated bibliography there. I'm going to highlight all of this and make it flush to the left. One thing you want to have typically for a bibliography is to have your stuff also double spaced. This is actually really tricky on the iPad. So your teachers are going to be very forgiving of this if you have trouble with it. One other thing you need to have is to have a hanging indent, which looks like this. It means I take most of it and indent it in and actually then take the top and move it back. That is correct citation formation for an annotated bibliography. But it's actually super weird and hard to do it on the iPad. So again, teachers understand right now we're in a remote situation. If you can format it by making it double spaced and making the hanging indent, great. On the iPad, one way to do that is on the second line right here, click enter or return, and then tab using the actual tab function on your keyboard. Okay, that will create this hanging indent. But if it gets all messed up, again, don't worry. So here's our citation, and then we'll go back to where it says the annotated bibliography. Citation information is there. And then it says summarize, and it says general information, right? And evaluating. So you're going to have some evaluation about the article you've looked at. So again, this is for things that have pre-made citations, which would be the databases that are located here. Along with, under art images, we have a database where it says Britannica Image Quest. The other things, you're going to have to make them from scratch. This video shows you how for art, but can be applied to other things as well. If you have any questions, reach out and let us know.